Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Square Payroll tax tools, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Square Payroll tax tools, begin by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Payroll section in the dashboard. Once in the Payroll section, locate the Settings option. Click on Settings to access the configuration options available. Look for the Tax Tools subsection within the Settings menu. Select the Tax Tools option to view the installed tax tools. You will see a list of active tax tools currently in use. Identify the tax tool you wish to uninstall. Next to the tax tool, you should find an Uninstall or Remove button. Click on the Uninstall or Remove button to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation prompt may appear to confirm your choice. Read the prompt carefully and confirm the uninstallation. Once confirmed, the system will proceed to uninstall the selected tax tool. After a few moments, a notification will appear indicating that the tax tool has been successfully uninstalled. To ensure the process was completed, check the list of tax tools again. Verify that the uninstalled tool is no longer listed. You have now successfully uninstalled the Square Payroll tax tool. For any additional questions, refer to Square's support documentation for further guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.